Hello everybody, so nice to see you.
Who's hungry for sweet puzzles?
Today we have cake and delicious donut.
Let's solve it!
This is the Hanayama donuts puzzle. And the goal of this puzzle is to take the two donuts apart. So let me go ahead and show you the logo. I don't know if you can see that or not. This is Hanayama Donuts. And the best way to solve this puzzle is to locate that logo and this groove here and to line up the silver part of this puzzle just like that. And the groove here lines up here. And go ahead and take that silver donut and find out where that ends. It ends there. You're gonna spin that back halfway and flip over the donuts. Let's try to split open that silver black chrome donut like that. Okay. Now here comes the tricky part. What you want to do is try to find the center. Like here is where it stops. The center of that silver donut. So let's go ahead and try to feel that out. And as you're doing that, you want to keep these two parts like this. So go ahead and try to feel that. And when you find that center, it'll come apart. And I believe we got it. There we go. Let me go ahead and show you how this puzzle works. So we have the silver donut that goes together like this. But it will only slide at a certain point. As I was doing before, you spin it and then try to find the halfway point. And if you find that halfway point, start sliding. Like that. Okay? And this is the gray chrome donut. And the way it opens is that it opens like this. Just a peg here and a peg here, two holes here. And they fit together like that. Okay. Let's go ahead and put that back together. And just put it together in reverse order. So go ahead and put it like this. And go ahead and locate that Hanayama Donuts logo. Right here. Put it through the silver donut like that. Grab the other part. Put it through the silver donut like this. And go ahead and push everything back together, making sure you keep the donuts in the holes. Okay. Sliding, sliding, and eventually we get here. And the puzzle is now reset. And that's how you solve the Hanayama Donuts puzzle.
The cake puzzle have 3 discs inside. They lock each other and you cannot take it out easily. So in this situation, I will give you 2 solutions for this puzzle. You need little tools. And the first one, you move the bottom disc all the way this side. The second layer, you keep the bottom disc not move. Second layer all the way to this side. This side. The top layer all the way here. Now you can get them out. Now you take both of them out. And you can also put them together in this way. The second way to solve it is put the bottom disk all the way this side. I found this way actually easier for putting back. Second layer, go all the way to this side. And top way, keep this way. Keep this side. Then, give a shape. And when you put it back, it's gonna be like this.
Thank you so much for watching. We really enjoyed making this episode. For you!
And please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye so long. Very well.